Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to add money to your Venmo account quickly and effortlessly. Before we begin, make sure your Venmo account is linked to either a debit card or a bank account. This connection is required to transfer funds successfully. If you haven't already linked one, I'll show you how to do that first. Start by logging into your Venmo account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main screen of the app. Now tap the button in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens a menu. From that menu, select Settings to go into the app's settings. In the Settings section, tap on the option labeled Payment Methods. You'll see a blue link that says Add Bank or Card. Tap on that. You'll now have the option to add a bank account, debit card, or credit card. In this guide, we'll focus on adding a debit card. Keep in mind that using a debit card for payments does not come with extra fees. However, using a credit card has a 3% fee when sending money. Select the card option and carefully enter your debit card information. This includes the card number, expiration date, the security code on the back of the card, and your zip code. Double-check that all the information is correct. Then tap Add to complete the process. Now that your debit card is successfully linked to your Venmo account, you're ready to add money. Go back to the main screen of the Venmo app and tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, tap on the option called Manage Balance. On the new screen, you'll see two options. One says Transfer to Bank and the other says Add Money. Tap on Add Money. You'll now see a screen where you can type in the amount you want to add to your Venmo balance. For example, let's say you want to add $25. Enter that amount in the field. You'll also be able to see your current Venmo balance here. Once you've entered the amount, tap Done, and then tap the blue button labeled Next. Now you'll be taken to a transaction summary screen. This page shows how much money you're adding, where the money is coming from, and when it will arrive. If you're using a linked bank account, the money might take about 3 to 5 business days to arrive. If you're using a debit card, the money usually arrives in just a few minutes. Take a moment to review all the information on the screen. If everything looks right, tap the green button to complete the transfer. Venmo will send you an email confirmation of the transaction. Just remember, bank transfers take a little longer, but debit card transfers are much faster. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.